Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys now what I get in my inserts. I can already tell the Retail Me Not is a disappointment, just the way it feels. But I'm here to share with you guys some great deal, or not some great deals, but I'm here to share with you guys what I get for coupons and the reason why I order coupons. My cat's right next to me being annoying, so you guys will hear some annoying things. So here's what we got in the Retail Me Not. We got the Adams Flea and Tick. I always see these bathtubs. I'm never going to buy one of these bathtubs. I don't know how it's #1 selling. Probably because they put it in the ads like crazy. But here we got Centrum, $1 off. Caltrate, Emergency, Advil, Thermacare, Nexium, Advil, and Preparation H. And if that is all that I got, that is a waste. Oh, and you get free shipping for those shoes. Look at that. Here is in my Smart Source. It's actually not bad. It's kind of thick. So here, let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I'm getting. So I'm excited to get this bagging coupon. I never really get these, so I'm going to definitely do this deal at Walgreens today. But here we got Benefil, $3, $2, or whatever. Fancy Feast. We got Friskies cat food. And then here we got the Claritin. And I'm just doing this right outside my patio door. We got no snow. Look at that. It all melted in a day. Here we got Target gift card coupons, so you guys can use these with a regular manufacturer coupon. We got the Purina Cat Tidy Cats. Now, I never get these coupons. I never do. So I'm excited that I finally got those. Poise. It's a great combination, you know, cat stuff and then bladder control. So there's that. 50 cents off of Ajax. Here we got some Depends. Beans. I like the Bush's baked beans. But here we got $1 off, $1 off of 2, $1.50 off of 2, and then 75 cents. I guess I'll get some beans wasted. We got Bayer. More Claritin coupons. Aleve. Nature Valley. Suavitel, which I never get. That's cool. Really love the ladies speed stick and the men's speed stick. I'm going to go crazy at Walgreens this week for those. Dole, Johnsonville, and then we got All the Way and Drano. Indiana Kitchen, 50 cents for bacon, $1 off of hams, and then here we got Dollar General, which I don't think I even need that, so I'm just going to take that out. Here we got $1 off of 2 Kemps. Kemps is, you know, our local thing. 10 and $5 off the AmaPay. And then we got BioTrue. I'm excited for all these coupons. Cetaphil, $5 off. Fannie Mae. Here we got, oh, my thing's getting loose. Look at that, my selfie stick's getting loose. There we go. I can show you guys more deals. And then more worthless ads. Here we got 75 cents off a spray wash. Sargento cheese, 60 cents off of 2 Olive Garden. Here we got Lifeway coupons. And Mott's apple juice and applesauce. So I'm pretty excited for, I'm not going to say it's the best coupons, but they're due. And then here's my P&G. Everybody pretty much has the P&G. Let's just make sure we have, I'm just going to kind of go through this really fast because you guys have the same kind of coupons. But, yep, I didn't get any of these, which I'm okay with. I really want to thank, I think it was Lori who sent me those coupons. Thank you. I hate how they limit you those coupons. Here we got some Febreze coupons, soap. More ads in the P&G lately. $1 off body wash. Here we got 25 cents. $2. Yeah, I'm not going to go into detail with you guys with all this stuff because you guys all have this. And yeah, so that was in my inserts. I just wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.